Why is separation necessary? Separation of mixtures into their components is necessary for many reasons. Reasons are as follows. To remove undesirable and harmful substances. Wheat and rice grains, if not cleaned after collecting it from the field, may contain stones, husk, seeds of weeds, etc. They can be harmful to our teeth and body, so it is necessary to remove them before cooking. The water supplied to your homes is cleaned and treated by the municipal authorities. It is further cleaned and disinfected by water filters used at home to protect us from various diseases. To obtain useful constituents. Examples. There are a number of useful components of crude oil like petrol, diesel, kerosene. These are separated and then used. To obtain pure substances. Sometimes pure form of substances are required at home or in the laboratory to study the properties. So, it is necessary to purify a substance by separating the unwanted substances from it.